The clamp washer works with the nut to secure the grinding disc to your grinder. It has a 5/8 inch non-threaded hole, a recess milled in it that engages with the spindle, and a 7/8 inch hub to accept standard grinding wheels. Over time, the hub can wear, causing the grinding wheel to wobble. Replacing the clamp washer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the grinding wheel from the grinder. First, I'll lock the spindle with the spindle lockout button. I'll rotate the grinding wheel by hand until the lock engages. Then I'll use a wrench to remove the nut. This style of nut can use either a traditional spanner wrench or just simply a hex wrench. Beneath the grinding wheel, I'll remove the flange. Now I'll install the new clamp washer. I install it so the recessed portion is down against the spindle. The recess will lock against the spindle so the washer can't rotate. Now install the grinding wheel. Now reinstall the nut. When installing the nut on a normal grinding wheel, it installs so the hub is down. That engages with the hole in the grinding wheel, clamping it securely and keeping it from vibrating. And that's how simple it is to install a new clamp washer on your grinder.